How to use aliexpress.com. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to use aliexpress.com easy and fast. So all what you have to do, first log into your account and create account. It's very easy. Now this is the home page, as you can see right here. Now if you want to buy a product, for example, let's see this one here. Now if you want to buy a product, all what you have to do is click on it and it will take you to this page. Now click on the buy now option and it will take you to this page to confirm your order and select your payment method right here, add new card, and then you need to fill all the informations and click save and confirm, and then click place order right here. It's actually very easy, and also don't forget to add your shipping information right here. So it's very easy actually to buy here. And if you want to see your account informations, just go here in the top corner and click on my orders, then go to the settings option down here, click on the setting. Now here you will see all your personal information, security information, everything. Actually you can change your profile here, edit it, and also change your email, password, everything you can change it from here. Also you can add the shipping address from here. As you can see right here, you can add the shipping address, and it's actually very easy. And also you can see your orders from here. On my orders you can see the all unpaid, the processing, the shipped orders, the completed orders. And if you want to delete orders, just click here on delete orders. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end.